Orders for item 12, my lord. Some
Yes.
progress is going on, my lord. So kindly list after 2 weeks.
Item 12 with
12, yes.
of council. Listed after.
Highly.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 42, your Lordship. Lordship, I will be filing my wakalatnama today, Lordship. I've been recently engaged by the respondents, Lordship.
40. Have you
Taken the
consent
consent,
of
Lordship.
council for petitioner?
No, for the,
Petitioner council, have you informed him?
yes, your Lord.
Item 42 deferred for 2 weeks, namely Mr.
W. Sharma, Lordship.
W. Sharma, here on behalf of the court. He submits. He started.
Obliged.
Lordship, with the consent for the respondent, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 29, Lordship.
29.
29, Lordship. In this case, I pray for some time to take instruction from the client, Lordship.
29 deferred for 3 weeks. Was made by Mr. Head Pro. Council.
I am willing to respond.
Mr. K. Kolida again.
Happy Lordship. I beg to mention item number 6. I am for the petitioner, my lord. I have taken consent for the other. So in this case, we also need some time to take instruction, my lord. All pending matter, my lord. So no,
Anyone for PTC?
I have taken consent, my lord.
Item 6 with the request made by
Hello, Lordship.
Your Lordship, I'd like to mention item number 35. Sir, the matter has become infractuous.
item 25. Your name?
S.A. Hussain.
You are mentioning on whose behalf?
Sir, I'm mentioning on behalf of M. Smith. He's out of station right now.
On behalf of Mr.
M. Smith.
M. Smith.
Yes.
25.
35.
35. Item 35. The request made by Mr.
S.A. Hussain.
S.A. Same date. He mentioned on behalf. Pending I.
Okay.
I beg to mention item number 60, Lordship. 60. Matter has become infractuous, Lordship.
60.
60.
60 is with 61.
I am not
16.
in 61, Lordship, but I am in 60.
You are appearing for
Assam Plain Tribes Development Corporation. For the
You are
respondent.
appearing for
Only for 60, Lordship.
Lordship, in 61, we have taken the consent. Payment has already been made.
item 60, 61 on the request made by the he requested the pickup. The reporters they can
With the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 55 and 56 of the daily list.
55,
And 56.
53.
As the learned counsel is out of station due to medical urgency.
On behalf of the petitioner,
On behalf of the respondent, G. Bora.
respondent G. Bora.
Your lordship for the counsel G. Bora. She's appearing for respondent number.
Yes, yes. Who's for the, have you taken consent of?
Yes, your lordship have taken the consent.
Item 55, 56. On behalf of Standing Council Agriculture. With submitted consent of the council. Petitioner has
Maybe listen, Lordship. Item number 18, 18, my lord. On instruction, my lord. But I want to withdraw, my lord.
You are for the petitioner.
Yes.
What is your name?
A. Khalek.
Your name?
My senior name is L.R. Mutundar.
Taylor. Mr. E. Khalik, on behalf of Mr. L.R. Mutundar, seeks to withdraw the request. Payment is allowed.
Obligation.
May I please, Lordship, with the consent of respondent, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 32. Kindly pass over the matter for the day, Lordship. Mr. Visitors will not well today, Lordship. Yes, Lordship.
The request made on behalf of Mr. D.C. Das. D.C. Das, Senior Counsel.
Yes, Lordship.
But after 1 week?
Lordship.
After 1 week?
Yes, Lordship.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 34, Lordship.
We have already taken the consent of the other side, and in this case, Lordship, we could not contact the others, petitioners, Lordship, till date. No
Oh.
time may be given, Lord.
Item 34, deferred for 2 weeks at the request made by counsel. MS
S. Patwari, on behalf of R. Sinha.
after 2 weeks.
Yes, please, my lord. With the concern of the other side, I beg to mention item number 39. And for the petitioner, here, my lord, the leading counsel B. Chaudhary is out of station, my lord.
39
Yes, 39.
on behalf of
B. Chaudhary.
39, somebody else's name appeared.
W. Ahmed, my name B. Chaudhary is the leading counsel.
39, the request made by Mr. W. Ahmed. For
2 weeks
weeks.
time, maybe.
May it please your lordship. I beg to mention orders item 10, my lord. In this case, we have taken consent of the other side. We being the petitioner, we require some time to receive the instruction from the client, my lord.
Item 10,
10.
the request made by MSS Sahib stand paper.
Obliged.
May it please your Lord. My Lord, item number 20, I am not pressing. It has become infrastructure. 20.
Item 20, the request made by MSS submission made by
And my Lord, in item number 64, I am praying for 3 weeks time to file reply.
Item 64, deferred
May I please your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 53, Lordship. Lordship, we are filed a reply, Lordship. Kindly grant us 1 week. Sir.
You have taken consent.
Yes, Lord.
Item 53, a request made on behalf of the rest of property.
No, Lordship, as Upadhyay.
As by on behalf of the petitioner.
Yes, sir.
Matters that referred to be listed up. After 3 weeks. Yes.
Lordship, Lordship, another matter, item number 13, Lordship. On behalf of the respondent counsel, Mr. B. Chenya, he is out of station, Lordship.
Item 13. Hey, have you informed the
Yes,
other counsel? Item 13, the request made by
May it please your lordship, with the consent of other side, I beg to mention item number 40 and 41, my lord.
40,
40 and 41, my lord.
40, and
Correct
40.
matter, my lord. So in this case, my lord, additional affidavit has been filed by the petitioner, my lord, by the respondent, my lord. So we require to file reply to that, my lord. 3 weeks time may be granted.
41, the request made by Mr. Diala and they put listed up. Enable the jointed the affidavit filed.
Yes.
You are both the respondent.
Yes, ma'am. Obliged, ma'am.
May it please your Lordship, I beg to mention item 31. The matter may kindly be adjourned for 2 weeks. As my senior is currently out of town.
You are on whose behalf?
I'm praying on behalf of Mrs. KTV.
Demand request made by for weeks.
Next.
Yes.
Obliged.
I beg to mention item number 28. Lordship. The matter becomes infrastructure.
28, the submission made by Mr.
M. Mondal.
M. Reported the penny stand vacated pending item.
Obliged.
May it please your lordship.
Yes.
This is section 11, application for appointment of an arbitrator.
Where is the agreement clause?
Clause is 64-1, the page number is lordship 39.
39.
Yes, sir. Dispute is with regard to non-payment of PVC bill, price variation bills.
39.
Yes, Lord. 64 clause 1.
Before clause. Where is the agreement?
Agreement, it starts at page number 26, Lord.
Since the years we have copies be furnished within a period of 1 week.
Item number 4 is similar.
Similar order tonight.
4.
Same respondent.
Yes, Lord. 2. Highly obliged.
Same up.
My lord, in this case, the agreement is at page 19, my lord.
19.
19, 19. And the arbitration clause is at page 23, my lord. Clause 5. And in this case, both the parties suggested different names, did not agree on a common name.
It was quite decided by the man. I think that would be made. Making appointment. Taking their response or contrary, yeah. Same. He response. It's it. Party not take the up. Week step. Related to date. Board. You want to take Dusty?
My lord, no, my lord, he is from Hyderabad, the other side is.
It's after the return.
May it please your lordship. Your lordship, arbitration clause is at page 21, clause number 14. We have nominated our arbitrator. Oil has to nominate there, which they have failed. 1, 2 is above 5 crore, 3 arbitrators in the table.
Above 5 crores is
One arbitrator by each party and the third arbitrator who shall be the presided by the 2 arbitrators.
now what happened here?
We have nominated our arbitrator. Respondents have not yet nominated. 30 days have expired.
May issue notice this because they have nominated on 24/6/2025. Also may issue notice at this test.
It's enough. In terms of the clause. The agreement line. Because of disputes where the claim amount is above 5 crore. The matter arbitration. One arbitrator nominated by each party. And they two are voted if they're upon deciding up. The council for the that it you the it it hold upon that point they are however they we put it that here's the shoulder pocket. However, extra copies be furnished with the
Hello.
Please, the lordship. Okay, in the last occasion, we are supposed to take steps, lordship. We'll take steps on respond number 4, 21 and 24. Lordship.
counsel for the petitioner is permitted at other time take steps on respondent number 4,
21 and 24.
21 and 21 and 24.
Yes, sir.
In terms of the those order dated 23. This matter again 2 weeks.
So, like,
Please, your lordship. Lordship, we would like to withdraw the petition as the matter has become infectious.
Counsel for the petitioner. Okay. Counsel for petitioner against your name.
B. Saike on behalf of H.K. Das.
Be cited a hearing for this data. Which reps have a product and it
Deeply obliged. Sir.
Order has been complied, my lord.
Right with
Yes.
both
Yeah.
everything we did. Which order you complained of?
My lordship, it has been complied.
Which order did you against which order? Page number 48.
Order is at page, my lordship, 8 to 13, my lord. Operative portions. Operative portion is there. 813, my lord. It's para 5.
Dated 26/3/2021. Acting WP 1 L 1 the L 2179 of 2021 and other connected. The by the state order court of the to examine the representation of the individual take a picture on the tape with a period of 3 months from the date of the certified copy of the order The direction of the doctor, right? The counted, the parties, it, and it, direction, applied with, and leave encashment and gratuity relief with respect of the petitioner. Since the order has been complied with, counsel should have right? Road. Then,
Next question.
Lordship, here the order is already complaint.
order complied. Where is the compliant order? Is it available?
Well, the direction of the honorable court is to, if lordship kindly comes to the order dated 9/3/2020. 9/3/2022, my lord.
Nine three 2020.
9/3/22, my lord. Last paragraph, my lord. The respondent of 4 and 5 come to a decision that the petitioner is entitled to grant of area pension and family pension. Pension proposal paper shall be submitted to the
That
respondent
has
of
been
1.
complied with.
Well, I have, my instruction says that the pension order has already been issued and family pension has been granted. My lord. This is the order. My lord.
Area pension.
Okay.
What about area pension? Any information regarding area?
My lord, area, I have no information. My lord. As regard family pension, the copy I have received.
Who's for the petition?
Petitioner. Please, the petitioner.
None appears in the petitioner.
For respondent number 1 and 2, my lord.
In terms of the direction contained in the order, dated 9/3/2020, passed in WPC 167. The direction has been complied with, and the family pension payment order has been issued in favor of the petition. Who is the unmarried dependent daughter of late Nigam Pro, ex-master roll worker. For the amount found to be paid. A communication has also been issued to the concerned treasury officer for release of arrears of applicant. He therefore the direction made in the order dated with the pass the Very good. Okay. Okay. Instructions. Okay, fine. Okay. Okay. Get me. Okay. Get. Get. Okay. Then. Yes.
Lord, kindly pass over the matter for time being, my lord.
Wait, please, my lord. In this matter, my lord, in item number 14, my lord, service is completed. And 15, my lord, I have to file affidavit in reply. I have filed affidavit.
Lordship, item 22 also is an analogous matter with these two matters, my lord. In that case, my lord, we'll be filing our affidavit in opposition, my lord. Same case, my lord.
You have not filed it in here.
In the third case, my lord, item 22, that we have not filed an affidavit in opposition. That we'll be filing our
Have
opposition.
you filed it in 14 and 15?
Yes, your lordship. In
In
15 we have filed. It's the same for the 14 also. So he's going to
14 is
file.
Not filed.
No, my lord. So he's going to file a reply in item 15, my lord.
Oh, which department? GAD.
GAD, my lord.
GAD submit that. Item. Affidavit is replied. The department. Rely. Stand reflected. You rely on the affidavit. Same affidavit. Also in respect of item. Further sub- Which item? 20?
22.
Fine. Reference. That item. That- is it?
CPF.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, we have filed an IA in to the writ petition, my lord. What has happened, my lord? My lord, what has happened, my lord? I had challenged my transfer order in WPC 1782 of 2025, where the notice was issued and an order was passed. When thereafter, what happened, my lord? The respondents have, my lord, may I refer to my page 19 of my IA, my lord.
19.
Yes, ma'am. In the interest of public service and in cancellation of earlier notification dated so and so, the Senior District Officer Assistant DC Majuli is hereby attached as Senior District Assistant, Office of District Jorhat with immediate effect. Further, the period of service already rendered by Sri Gautam Bhuiya as Sri District Admin at the office of upon his transfer in possession of the notification shall be treated as an attachment from Office of DC Majuli. During the period of his attachment, the incumbent shall draw and pay his allowance against the substantial post of Senior District Administrative Assistant in the Office of DC Majuli. This has the approval Honorable Minister, General Administrative Department. Now, my lord, the main question is when I have the entire transfer order I had challenged. Now they have revoked the transfer order, and what they could not do with directly, now they are doing it indirectly. My lord, the law that
What was the order passed by the court?
my lord, in the writ petition.
What did you challenge? Your transfer order?
Yeah, I challenged my transfer order.
What order was passed?
My lord, the order is at page 17, my lord.
Yeah.
My lord, the transfer order dated 17/1/2025.
So no interim order is there.
No, my lord, there was no interim order. But my lord, now what they have done, they have cancelled this transfer order. While the writ petition was pending, they have cancelled and they have revoked the transfer order. And now what they have done, they have removed the transfer order and they have attached me to the office of the District Commissioner Jorhat, which they cannot, my lord.
Right.
Because my lord, first of all, I am in the General Administrative Department. And as per the general,
Challenge this order.
yes, my lord, I have challenged it through an IA, my lord. Because
IA?
yes, my lord. Because, my lord, when the matter was pending, my lord, this Honorable High Court in the division bench have directly said that you cannot, when a matter is sub judice, you cannot do a parallel proceedings. To defeat the entire purpose, my lord, they have done this attachment, my lord. My lord, Agda Sali versus State of Assam directly states that, my lord, that there cannot be a parallel proceedings going on. My lord, what they cannot be demanded clearly on prima facie, my lord, the transfer order was bad in law. What they have that,
There is no interim order.
my lord, there was no interim order. So, my lord, what they isn't it?
Challenge the transfer order.
Yes, well, I challenged the transfer order.
There is no interim order.
There was no interim order, but they,
Notify the transfer order, or we cancel the order on some other order.
yes, my lord, and that order which they have passed, my lord, that I have challenged to an IA, as because, my lord, the order, my lord, the order of attachment which they have passed clearly says that in the interest of public service.
You have filed an IA challenging this order.
Yes, my lord.
We issue notice in the IA.
But, my lord, this order is hereby, as of, my lord, just on the point of law only, my lord.
Examine it.
My lord,
We are
as my lord pleases, my lord, as my lord
Since
pleases.
you have not filed a separate, you have not filed a separate.
Yes, yes.
No, my lord, I have.
So
Yeah.
you have filed it through an IA.
My lord.
Notice, let him respond. Yes.
Yes. And only main irritation becoming infectious because this capture order he said
We
has
will
been.
examine all that. Here we are issuing notice. Even if it is become infractors, it is become infractors. We don't know. But you are challenging it on the ground by filing an IA.
Yes, my lord, as
You
because
will
my
have to file a press
may I just
petition.
submit here, my lord? Because, my lord, the division bench of this Honorable High Court in Akadasali clearly stated that when a matter is sub judice, the department cannot act upon and have a parallel
Where is the
proceedings.
judgment?
My lord, I have cited the judgment. It's at,
You have a copy of the judgment.
my lord, I haven't brought the copy, my lord. Agda Sali versus State of Assam 2020.
We will examine.
My lord, as please, my lord.
It's enabling the counsel to the petitioner to please rely on the judgment. In support of the judgment. And provide it. Yeah.
Yes, sir, tomorrow.
My lord.
You don't have the copy of the judgment.
My lord, I go.
All right, we'll take it up day after.
My lord. My lord, can it be on Thursday, my lord?
Tomorrow, day after tomorrow is an issue, then we can have it on Friday.
My lord, sure.
Friday or Wednesday.
My lord, Wednesday, my lord.
May I please, my lord, this matter relates to promotion, my lord.
Have you taken fresh steps?
My lord, service is complete, my lord. Okalatama has been filed, my lord.
Lord, one prayer. In fact, this is a matter pertains to 2018 and it has been passed on by the earlier set of counsel. My lord, in fact, as on date, I do not even have the instruction, my lord. And I think, my lord, no affidavit has been filed on behalf of the department. Can it be this way, my lord? At least one copy they will serve to me. I'll obtain the instruction and if necessary, my lord, within 3 weeks, I'll file an affidavit, my lord, for affidavit in opposition.
What is your prayer here?
My lord,
You are
Yes.
challenging somebody's promotion.
yes, my lord. My lord, page number 25, my lord, in bin order. Page number 25.
Why are you challenging his promotion?
My lord, please come to page number 28, another 5.
Yes.
In the proposal for promotion to the post of junior assistant from the grade 4 staff submitted by the district deputy registrar of cooperative societies, Dorong Mongoldoy, it is found that as per provision,
Page number?
my lord,
Page number?
page number 21, my lord.
21.
In the proposal for promotion to the post of junior assistant from the grade 4 staff submitted by the district deputy registrar of cooperative societies, Dorong Mongoldoy, it is found that as per provision of the Assam Ministerial District Establishment Service Rules 1967 Amendment Rule 2015, Sri Pranabjyoti Deka, ESP.
Why are you challenging it? We are asking you the question.
My lord, I have challenging the This rule is not applicable in this matter.
Well, the 10,000 operation. Earlier. Give me the sign. Here. They have to bring sign. You also bring. the other. Give him one copy.
Yes, my lord.
Or maybe copy. Within this week.
Yes, my lord.
This week. After 2 weeks, everything is standing down.
My lord, kindly, a date may be fixed.
Date. 30 July.
Yes, my lord. Most obliged.
Inhabitants of lordship. This case, my lord, the petitioner is doctor, my lord, medical health informant. Whatever, my lord, while doing PG, my lord, they have to undergo some agreement, my lord. They have to serve 10 years and alternative, they have to pay penalty of 25 lakhs. Here in this case, my lord, there is genuine ground, my lord, because of his family's illness, my lord. He submitted his resignation. That resignation has not been accepted. My prayer in this case, my lord,
Resignation.
has not been accepted. My prayer is twofold, man. My resignation has to be officially accepted, and some relaxation has to be made for in 25 lakhs of rupees, my lord. But after all, I did serve prior to that, and after that also.
You are now what? You are MBBS doctor.
Yes,
You have not completed your master.
at 10 years, mandatory 10 years.
10 years service you have done.
Yes.
How many years have you completed?
Actually, prior to that, 5 years, my lord, altogether 7, 8 years I've completed. My lord. In the rural area, my lord, Hailakandi, I was posted, my lord.
Now you want to, you have submitted your resignation.
Resignation, my lord, and
Where is that?
kindly see my prayer, my lord.
Where is your resignation?
Yes, my lord. Page 42, my lord. Okay. 42, my lord.
Hmm.
Annexure L, my lord.
Hmm?
And at page 42, annexure. Can I read, my lord?
Yeah.
Most humble respect, I would like to lay before you the following few lines or kind information sympathetic extent. That I joined HO1 on 12/7/2006 at Nagaon PG Borpara due to the upgradation of the post 1992. My service was adjusted against the so-and-so. I worked and so-and-so in the Borpara direction of DHE, Borpara, and treated thousands of poor people in the rural area. Borpeta disease for a period of 3 months. I treated hundreds of patients suffered from cholera during the cholera outbreak and around Howli area, Borpeta district 2009. I worked MMC Hospital Panbazar for a period of 1 year. Presently, I am working at SK Roy Hospital, Hailakandi, but due to some family and personal problem, it has become very difficult for me to continue my service at Hailakandi. Therefore, I have decided to resign from service. Under the above circumstances, I'd like to request you to kind enough to accept my resignation with effect from 1 to 2018. That is the application, my lord. And this is a medical certificate of my.
Yes, what you
In this case, Lordship, I need some time because my file is some is misplaced. Lordship, I have to construct the file. So 3 weeks time, Lordship.
today, Chaudhary for the. All right. Keep on. Okay. Yeah. 3 weeks time.
3 weeks time, Lord.
It is 2 weeks prior to 2018,
I'll have to
otherwise I'm
obtain the
not doing
instruction
anything now.
also, Lordship.
Okay, my lord, it is up to your lordship, ma'am.
89. Very bad. Very good submission. It come. Are big. Big. But paper. Eighth of
Problem.
Obliged, Lord.
yes.
That's really good. First parameter.
Yes, yes, yes.
In this case, Lordship, respondents are directed to file their affidavit, Lordship.
Yes,
till-
affidavit.
But we have not received instruction, my lord. Some time may be granted. What?
You have not received or you have received?
I will have not received, my lord.
Not received.
Not received.
What is to be done?
Some time may be granted. The order of transfer 2018.
By the last sale, there was an order that cost will be imposed.
Yes, also, Lordship, I have misplaced the file, Lordship. Let's start the file.
Where have they gone, your file? I know. The thing granted. The respondents have they to file that by earlier order taken 2024. The respondent they granted further time by the applicant of failure court directed. We also call my affidavit time. Further time sought for by the reconstruct the brief, the health part. The court is constrained to grant further time, but the payment cost. Cost of 2,000. Still after 3. Not to be deposited for the party I could.
I am for only responsible for
Mr. Yeah, here. Cost to be paid by the health department.
health department.
Given time after time, 2018 matter. And there is an order of the court.
Yes.
You did not pray for alteration of the order.
Due to shifting of the chamber, Lordship, somewhere it is misplaced, Lord.
Lord, in this case, your lordship was pleased to pass the order dated 2025, but it was not uploaded because of some technical difficulty. Now it is available. So perhaps the order has not been served upon the proposed arbitrator.
You have received the order now.
Now we have received. So we will supply the copy of to the proposed arbitrator.
Counsel for the petitioner. Take 2 weeks further time.
2 weeks.
Communicate the order dated 36 and 25. The proposed arbitrator will hit. The learned arbitrator proposed to be appointed by upon receipt of the arbitrator to be appointed by the on receipt of the written declaration in the section 12 by the appointed after immediately after two.
Yep.
Respond.
Much obliged.
May I bring? I'm appealing for the respondent side. 2 weeks time may be given for filing reply. 2 weeks time may be given for filing reply.
Any objection?
My lord, today is the fourth day they are sitting adjournment.
Second,
So my lord, in the first week of
last
August,
time may be given.
yes, last
File it by 2 weeks or we proceed.
Good.
Further 2 weeks time is prayed for by Mr. Dave. Sir,
HK Sharma.
Several of it. It may be the last of final opportunity for the prayer made by the respondent in the above testament immediately after 2 weeks.
Much.
Can it be on Friday? Maybe.
Friday.
Yes.
The request made by Mr. Rana.
All right.
It's Deborah.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, I am appearing on request on this matter on behalf of MK Chaudhary, sir. He has some personal difficulty. Your lordship may kindly fix this matter on 29th of July.
Right, 29th of July.
Lordship, he is not available.
Have you not heard me? On the request made by the learned counsel on behalf of the Yagi now.
Lordship will record my presence.
Sir,
TK Garodia.
TK Garodia, again.
Respondents number 1 to 5.
Respondent number
1 to 5.
1. TK Garodia.
Obliging.
Deeply obliged, your lordship.
After affidavit, file.
Yes, my lord.
File.
Thank you.
Appears for the and they guide the thing. Here the after affidavit. Then it's just after 1 week.
Stabilize.
May I please, Lordship?
So petitioner hearing has informed me that they are going to withdraw this petition, but I don't know.
Where?
Kindly pass the button
Passover.
today.
Who you are mentioning on whose behalf?
Previous week.
We'll pass it over. The time.
Lords.
And appears for the repeat.
So that they are seeking, my lord, that Uta reservation in the Gambura, my lord, appointment. That appointment already been made.
Have you filed your counter?
Already filed, my lord, that Uta system is not there in the, my lord.
Whatever. And pleadings are complete.
Yes.
Mr. A, I think. Five.
Affidavit filed on Lordship on 25/9/2018. Lord. 2299.
Filed any reply?
No, my lord, they did not follow.
Hearing. 29.
29.
29.
Well, I'm appearing, my lord, in all the cases, but subsequently my client, my lord, engaged senior admin became Mr. Item number 36 and item number 37 and 38, all are, my lord, analogous, common question involved. So whether we are covered by that decision or our cases.
No, you are appearing for which matter?
I'm 37, 38.
37. You are appearing for 36. What do you say?
My lord, as per order date 35/2025, your lordship had directed to place the status of the writ appeal, my lord.
That has been disposed of.
That has been disposed of in our favor, similar matter, my lord. So I'll be placing that, since we have been engaged recently, my lord, I'll be seeking some time,
How much time do you?
4 weeks time, my lord. 4 weeks time.
4 weeks for placing a judgment.
I have the judgment, my lord.
Then
Placing that
no,
would
no,
be
if it is covered, does it require any hearing?
not a search, because not directly similar, because the whose probation period is over and extension has not been done, they are to be deemed as confirmed employee and they cannot be discharged in the manner they have been discharged. In my case, in item number 36, the service rule provides that the probation period is of only 2 years and there is no provision for extension, my lord. And we have been engaged yesterday on the, my lord. I've just seen those things. I'll place that.
Initially, my lord, when all the matters were heard, my lord, then observation was made by original single bench that these 3 matters are to be heard on merit, separate. And accordingly, my lord, the matter was
Why it is going to be heard?
separately, my lord. Because the question involved is, my lord, whether in absence of any specific provision in the rules, can department has got any authority to extend the probation? That was the question. In other cases, my lord, there are provisions in these respective rules regarding extension of probation. In our case, is absolutely blank, my lord. There is no provision.
So therefore, what do you propose? That they are confirmed.
There shall be deemed to be confirmed.
Deemed to be.
And in that case, in that situation, there is no scope for, my lord, straightaway termination. You have to hold a different procedure. Even, my lord, in the suspension order, they specifically mentioned that, my lord, pending trial of different procedure.
Appointment order.
Pardon, my lord?
Your order was appointment on probation.
On probation.
Probation not extended.
Probation was, my lord, subsequently after 6 months, 4 and 6 months. In some cases 4 months, in some cases 6 months. They extended the probation. Then the question raised before this court whether it is permissible in law, in absence of any rules, to extend the probation. That's why court was pleased to segregate all the 3 matters. So since my friend is, my lord, seeking time, so common question involved, I will take the advantage of argument of DK Mr. My lord.
If I may just assist Lordship for a minute.
Yes.
One is Lordship. It is factual that Lordship had put it after the judgment would come. The judgment of the learned DB has come.
Just 1 minute. You're just try to increase the volume. Not very audible.
I'm grateful, Lordship.
Yes, please.
Yes, Lordship, what I was saying is, essentially, Lordship had also, in the last order, specifically said if the DB judgment comes in the interim, this matter will get listed. That judgment has come. Now, Lordship, that judgment, in terms of the directions, is being considered by the government. Now, therefore, Lordship, what I would say, if Lordship is pleased to give some time, it could be kept maybe after 45 days and all, there'll be clarity. Because they are relying on that judgment and the next course of action is unknown. I have to take instructions also what the government is planning to do with the DB. So I would, to assist this court, feel that what has been prayed, that some time may be given and it can be put on a subsequent date would be best.
All right.
However, we are in your hands.
The appearing in WPC 9516 and 9518.
37, 38.
What are the numbers?
Number is my lord.
9514
9514 and 9516.
18.
18.
I am appearing in 9516.
And Mr. D. Sir appears for the commissioner in 9517. So Mr. Prasad submits that he will recently engage in the matter. He will be led by Mr. T.K. Prasad. The RA counsel for the petition. So, Mr. Prakash, all the counsel for the parties, for the petitioner submits that in the meantime, division bench by judgment and order dated
26, 2025.
26
20
2006 2025 in WPC number
WA 59, WA Writ Appeal
Rate Appeal
59
59
of 2023
of 2023 and
and other connected files.
have disposed of certain directions. The counsel for the petitioner they will submit that some time is required to complete their instructions and apprise the board whether the state judgment of the division bench would also cover the issues raised. Will be the city council appearing for the state also is in agreement with the submissions made by the commissioner. He also submits that matter be deferred, permit him to complete his instructions as jointly prayed by the council parties. Instead deferred, instead after 4 weeks.
Lordship, sometime in August.
Or I just say
Let it be in 14th of August if you're not.
not 14th.
Minor.
In the week after the 14th, Lordship, 20th
or 28th of August.
Let it be on 20 August.
28th of
20 August.
My lord, Mr. My lord, Mr. Mishra will be out of station. 28th.
8
to 8.
No difficulty, Lordship.
At the end of August.
So may I, Lordship, just also request my colleagues, Mr. A. Roy, assisted by, they are assisting me, Mr. A. Roy and Miss Nimisha Menon.
You send an email to the.
We'll send it. We'll do that. I'm so
Okay.
grateful.
Yeah.
Thank you. Deeply obliged.
My lordship, treat the matter on 28.
28th.
Yeah, 28th of August.
Grateful.
My
Okay.
Lordship, in this matter, we are filing the affidavit today, Lordship, during the course of the day. Paisa nahi hai koti? No.
What matter is this? Today.
Yes, Lordship. We already have processed, Lordship. I think this should be filed.
Some time, my lord, to file reply.
Lordship, on the basis of the instruction that I placed last week only, Lordship. So on that basis only, I have prepared the affidavit and will file. Lordship, as the matter pertains to appointment and all this,
We'll have
Lordship.
it next week.
Yes, Lordship. Next Monday, Lordship, if possible.
Mr. D. and Saiwala and it's thinking. And it's the chariot appearing for the state submits. You are appearing for
Union of India.
your name?
J. Sharma.
On Tuesday?
Shall be filed during the course of the day. In that view of the matter, let a copy of the affidavit proposed to be filed be also served of the county. This matters again on. We'll have it on 23rd.
Yes, Lordship.
23rd of July.
Much.
Deeply obliged, Lordship.
मतलब extreme order में continue.
Interim order comes earlier, will continue till the next week. Yes, 52.
May I please repeat? Lordship, Mr. Pinack is on late. Sometime may be allowed.
Have you filed your
Lordship,
or
on 20th of,
you
June.
filed it?
Yes, Lordship.
Things are complete.
Lordship,
You have filed your rejoinders.
Lordship.
Very
Lordship may take it up after some time. Also, my CD is also like member at Lordship.
Counsel for the parties submit that dealings are completed. What is your prayer here?
Lordship, here we prepare for the impending suspension, your Lordship.
Suspension.
Lordship. And now the petitioner, he has already retired from the service by the 31st of May. So, Madam, we taken up after some time. Also, my CD is also like
After some time. That will be restored. 17. 17 July.
Obliged.
That's buildings are complete for admission. It's not 17 for admission. Yes.
In this case, I have received instructions, Lordship. As per instruction, instruction says that the petitioner, wife of late Noor Hussain, multipurpose worker male in Golpara district will be eligible for provisional compassionate family pension as per government in the PPZ department, ON dated so and so. Then, number PPZ P, dated so and so, and Lordship may kindly
Who's for the petitioner?
petitioner is
Yes.
absent today. Last occasion also it took time, Lord. It. Only pension.
Why provisional compassionate pension? Why provisional pension?
The petitioner's husband was died in a accident, Lordship.
No, I'm asking you why provisional?
Wait, please, Your Honor.
Yes.
Your Honor, petitioner is the legal wife of the Noor Hussain, Your Honor, and petition number 2 is the son of the Noor Hussain. Your Honor, Noor Hussain died in 2018, Your Honor, on a motorcycle accident while working as a MPW Bagdoba Sub-Center under Rongjuli Block Health Center, functioning under the Joint Director of Health Services, Your Honor. Your Honor, petitioner number 1 is the first legally wedded wife of the Noor Hussain, Your Honor. But till today, no pensionary benefits are granted to her.
You show these instructions to.
Instruction is done.
Go through the instruction.
Yes, Your Honor.
Now.
Now, okay.
Yes. You come back on Friday. Get
Yes,
your
Your Honor.
instruction. We'll have it on Friday.
Yes, Lordship.
Ah.
Okay, Your Honor.
Don't take that instructions without our permission. We are just giving it to have a look.
Oh,
Yes, list this matter again on Friday, enabling both parties to complete their instruction. In respect of the benefit of, what are you claiming? Pensionary benefit?
Yes, Your Honor.
Pensionary, family pension benefit. In respect of the late husband of the Friday. Yes. Yes,
Yes, Your Lordship. Lordship, this matter may be released after 2 days in the same category, Your Lordship.
Friday.
Your Lordship.
Is it on Friday?
Yes.
Please, Your Lordship. This matter pertains to non-payment of retirement benefit, my Lordship. Similar situated employees were already granted retirement
Yes,
benefit. But this person is left out, my Lordship. He retired in the year 2019, my Lordship. And this corporation is winding up. I have heard, my Lord.
My lord, we have filed affidavit in opposition. So they will file a reply.
Hmm?
They will file a reply in.
No, what is your ground for not giving the benefit?
My lord, they are employees of the AP.
So,
Is there? So, my lord, new inspection is required for the second. My lord. Because earlier it was conducted by Miss Ms. R.S. Deoli. So we are newly engaged.
you have pointed out an affidavit. Do you have the brief or not?
No, my lord, this matter is listed for the first time. So, my lord.
How many times do you want it to be listed?
My lord, 2 weeks time.
2 weeks,
Yes, my lord.
not 2 weeks. We'll have it next week.
My Lordship, may I please on judgment, my Lord?
Yes.
My lord, one more thing I want to know. Now the department is headed by senior most secretary, but here it is implemented as commissioner and secretary. So, my lord, it may be replaced.
We are not replacing anything. You get your instructions, whatever you can, or we'll call your officers. Yes, what do you want to say?
My Lordship, 5 number of petitioners, their grievance was that they were not granted leave encashment and gratuity. These persons were discharged, my Lordship, and this person, the petitioner at hand, my Lordship, he is superannuated. Even the discharged persons were granted this retirement
Show
benefit.
it to your colleague. If he agrees, we'll pass an order. Similar. We are having the matter again on Monday. Coming Monday. Just on Monday.
Positive directions may be passed, my Lordship. Positive directions may be passed, my Lordship, with regard to.
We don't know. You show him that order. Give him a copy of that order. If he agrees, then we'll dispose of the matter on Monday. Yes.
Obliged, my Lordship.
May please, Your Lordship. My lord, the matter relates to wrong calculation of DCRG and leave encashment, my lord. Readings are complete, my lord. We have also filed reply.
Why not send it for mediation?
If my lord, we agree.
My Lord, we stated that we have cleared everything.
Yes. It's not.
There is nothing left for mediation, my Lord. Now it has to be hard. Because we said that, my Lord, detailed affidavit, we said that what is the entitlement we have paid. Now, my Lord, there is nothing left for, my Lord, mediation, my Lord. Mediation is, my Lord, when? That yes, there is a scope, my Lord, that his entitlement we did not pay. Here we said that, my Lord, we have paid. So, my Lord, my prayer will be, my Lord, will fix it any other day for final disposal.
What is his claim?
My lord, only my lord, lordship may kindly peruse only one document, my lord, page 70 of their affidavit. Page 70, running. Paragraph 11, lordship got it, my lord.
Yes.
Paragraph 11. In first part, my lord, lordship with regard to the statement, mid paragraph so and so, the answering deponent begs to state that the amount of rupees 3,50,000 so and so has been paid to the petitioner as DCLC as admissible as per so and so so and so. Now, lordship will find it in the bottom paragraph.
in respect of gratuity, a communication was made to release of rupees 5,45,000. This is contradictory. Once they have stated that 3,50,000, then again they have stated that 5,45,926. This is my claim. Lordship may fix any other date, my lord. I will satisfy.
My lord, this is only regard to this statement is, my lord, that yes, he has made a claim. We have done, my lord, communicate to the government, but his entitlement already government has paid.
According to the petitioner, it is 5,45,000.
Yes.
Yes.
According
my
to
lord-
you, it is 3,50,000,
My lord,
which you have paid.
we have paid.
My lord, what happened, my lord? In fact, they have calculated the, my lord, DCRB and a leave assessment amount, my lord, based on the, my lord, basic pay as my superintendent. I have retired as registered. Pension amount has been given as registered. Lordship may fix any.
The parties, since the proceedings are complete, matter will be extended for admission hearing in the month of August. August.
যি কৰিব কিন্তু আপোনালোকে কমিউনিকেট কৰিব লাগিব ন।
Yes.
AG did not file, that is what.
AG, there is no dispute with the AG. I mean, so if it is for the county.
In this matter, my lord, I need some time to file the reply. 3 weeks time.
Is it there's something to mediate?
My lord,
Can it be sent to mediation?
basically issue is I-1 regularization of a period of service of 10 years from 2005 to 2015. He has already retired. But because of non-regularization of that period, Lord, he is only getting provisional pension. Perhaps, my lord, it has to be decided, subject to, my lord, what your lordship's feel, my lord.
No. It's for you to say, if you can mediate, you mediate.
But I am not, my
If
lord,
the claim of regularization of a particular period is there, then it has to be decided.
it has to be decided.
Can't be mediated unless you agree.
Yes. Let him file his reply, lordship.
Yes,
He wants to
you
file
want
it.
to file a
A
reply?
reply, my lord.
Council for
3 weeks time.
3 weeks time?
He's from, he is now residing in Orissa, that's why I'm about
3 weeks.
3 weeks.
3 weeks time to file rejoinder to the affidavit filed by the respondent authorities. And to be listed after 3 weeks.
Highly obliged. May I pray for a date, my lord, if possible?
After 3 weeks,
Yes,
7th of August.
fine. my lord. Deeply obliged.
Highly obliged.
Yeah, please, your lord. It's regarding the non-payment of pension, my lord. They have come up with a reply stating that, my lord, there is some mistake in the differences in, my lord, the title of the petitioner, my lord, in the Aadhaar card and passbook, it is written Thakuria RIYA, and in the pension paper, it is written Thakuria IA. And because of that, my lord, they could not pay, and they have issued that letter, my lord, after filing the case, my lord.
Yes.
And my
Yes,
lord,
but in case number 46, my lord, we have already informed that, my lord, petitioner.
Who has refused to pay?
My lord, kindly, case number 46, that is, my lord, central pension account office, my lord.
the correctful decision.
Yes, sir. One of the different to 27.
But since 2017, my lord, they are sleeping over the matter, my lord. After filing this writ petition, they have come up with this letter. By now, my lord, my petitioner has also complied with all these, my lord, directions they have asked for. And my lord, now another thing has come up, my lord. They are asking for some 31,000 they have deposited in the accounts of the petitioner. And that 31,000 I have to return back to regularize my pension. They are asking for that 31, but the petitioner is in such a condition, my lord, she cannot pay the 31,000 rupees, my lord. It is just in full consideration.
Now, in view of this letter, what do you propose to do?
Well, I have deposited, corrected my lord, my title.
You have.
I have.
You have made it.
I have corrected
RIA.
it, I have RIA and I have been to the bank for all this. my lord. And then
Aadhaar card also.
other card also, that report I have corrected and
You have submitted.
submitted.
Have you stated in any reply or anything?
No reply I have not given, my lord, but I have been instructed by the petitioner that he has done it. No such copy has been there, but now, my lord, when I have been to bank with these documents, the bank has come up with another thing, my lord, 31,000 rupees has been deposited in my accounts earlier. That 31,000 rupees I have to return back. And then only they will be able to regularize my pension. That is, they are coming up with that.
Who is coming up?
This bank authority, bank is saying that, my lord, bank, the account which is under their heading, my lord.
Bank is that?
That is, my lord, the State Bank, my lord.
What are your instructions after the correction?
After the correction, my lord, just now I got the instruction. I don't have instruction regarding 31,000, my lord. That is not for, I think not from the officers, my lord, DSF side. That is from bank side. I take instructions regarding that, my lord. Because I don't have instruction, because this is bank instruction, my lord.
Yeah.
The approach is court for non-release of the family pension payable to the petitioner for services rendered by her date of death. Date for her after the pension papers were prepared, were processed. However, the commandant 86 Battalion BSF had informed the commission that there is a discrepancy in the surname, in her surname, which is reflected in the pension papers as well as and the surname in the bank passbook and the other card. In the pension paper, the surname was reflected as Kuria, Thuria. Whereas in the bank passbook and other card, the surname was mentioned as Thuria. The petitioner was asked to update its correction, bank passbook and card. Pursuant to the same communication, the petitioner updated, corrected the surname, bank passbook and the other card. So this information, these instructions have been received by the company. However, in spite of that, the pension has not been paid. The ground that an amount of 31,000 which stood deposited in the bank account, the petitioner will have to be returned back by the petitioner for regularization of the pension. Then I will say again, then CDC the other 2 weeks time complete her instructions as to the status of the family pension payable to the petitioner pursuant to the corrections stated to have been effected. Corrections to the surname stated to have been effected in bank passbook. Let the matter be listed again after 2 weeks.
Okay.
My lord, this is regarding, my lord, civil bench 2 matter, my lord. But it is
wrongly listed.
Yes, it should be in the civil bench 2.
Is it civil bench 2?
My lord. Provincialization of the service of the petition.
This writ petition has been wrongly listed before this bench, pertains to civil bench 2, Roman 2. document registry, verify and list this matter accordingly before the as per rules.
Obliged.
Yes, sir. Yes, unappealed petitioner on call. Third, T.R. Gogoi, learned
Lordship.
counsel appeals to respond. Is there anything to submit?
Lordship, I have received a copy, which was submitted by this instant petitioner to their advocate. They have decided to withdraw this case, Lordship.
Oh. But this petition is filed by, not by the association.
Lordship,
You have received a copy from the association.
instant petitioner, Lordship, Lalit Bora, he was, at that moment, he was the general secretary of this association, Lordship.
See, none appears for the petition on the second court. Which the two were of the years of right deed.
গৃহ নির্মাণ
গৃহ
পরিষদ
নির্মাণ পরিষদ কর্মী হন।
Lordship.
Since that represents the petition. But not the petition.
Obliged, Lord.
The defending stand pending either.